Hello, everybody, and happy Independence Day today. We got is a lot to talk about, uh, but yeah, had a great July the 4th Eve, and today is the actual day for Independence Day. It's that time of the year, and we hope as this entire family here at Pinpoint Films, we hope that you have a wonderful day today to celebrate 4th of July. So let's start with the summer forecast. Uh, this will be starting a couple days ago. And this will go into August 2nd. The first day of school here in Georgia, well, Cobb County, of course. So, yeah, which now will be on Monday. So, anybody wants to know that. Let's talk about the, this forecast. As you can see, the brown is for dry, the green is for the rain, red is the severe thunderstorms, orange is thunderstorms. Purple, we will see a chance of a tropical storm, like maybe a tropical depression or a tropical storm. Uh, then anywhere in that blue zone, we could see a chance for tropical storms. So like that, it's highly area for tropical storms. So that's how you can kind of figure it out. Well, let's take a look at the July 4th weather for the rest of today. As you can see, the west of the brown line over here will be a good chance that it's going to be dry, well, mostly dry. To the east of that, we will expect moist and mild or moist and hot. So that's what we could just expect. Maybe into some places we might see something a little bit cool, but to me, it's gonna be moist and mild, moist and hot. That's what typical is gonna go. Um, that green circle could be where we have is the highest chance for rain today. Uh, Blue, as you can see, is gonna be mostly cloudy. Gray, partly cloudy. There's a lot of fire, so going on into the west coast, so that's why we have is an increase of clouds chances. Uh, Orange should be mostly clear. That should be where I am right now. Uh, and for like some places in Georgia and Florida, we could expect something kind of clear skies today. It's absolutely beautiful out today here in Georgia. Let's take a look at this just one more minute. This way I can give you some guys an idea. Okay, now we got something kind of cool for the temperatures today. Okay, so select your numbers. So number one will be your west coast. Number two will be the mountains. Number three will be the central. Number four will be the east land with mountains. Number five will be the east land with no mountains. And then number six will be the east coastal areas. So we're going to go down the line. Here's the forecast and to your part of the country. As you can see, we got west coast, mountain, and then we got central over here. You can pause the video if you need to see about it. Now, I'm gonna count down from 10, and then we will switch it over to the east side of things. Okay, we're gonna go to the east side. So here's the east. Alrighty. You can see it's like most of the state is gonna be slightly near average, or above average. So most of the state should be above average for temperatures. So it should be near average or above. That's what we will talk about that entire nation for this July the 4th forecast. Let's talk about the hurricane path. Let's see. Here's the hurricane path, which we will talk about this. This is Hurricane Elsa. As you can see, it could expect probably about 50 miles per hour wind when it does a landfall right about the furthest panhandle area. Expected landfall July 6th at 4:45 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. Strong tropical storm pressure in A. Movement north-northeast at 10 to 50 miles per hour. Wind speed 50 miles per hour. Top 55 miles per hour. So let's take that to the Weather Channel and let's take a look at Hurricane Elsa, and then we will go back to the rainfall here. So here's the overall path of this hurricane right over in here. Let's go down to here. This is where you'll see most likely Hurricane Elsa crash and making landfall about this time. Which is July 7th. This was a couple days ago where I was trying to predict this. So likely time would be either from July 6th afternoon to July 7th into the morning time where we expect landfall. So hurricane, like tropical storm watches is being affected later today and tomorrow for parts of Florida. So as you can see, that's what we are expecting, and it looks like it is going to be at 60 miles per hour wind. So the strength should hold up just a little bit. But let's go through our next part of stuff here. Okay, as we got something kind of cool. Here's the rainfall. So into that grid spot is where we will see likely 3 to 5 inches of rain. If it goes to Tampa Bay, you could see it shifting a little bit more down to the south of the Florida. But if it stays kind of like to to more to the north of Tampa Bay area, you could see this is likely chance for heavy rainfall. The orange, we could likely see 1 to 3 inches of rain, and in the green, we could see less than 1 inch of rain. Here's the storm surge. As you can see, and the red is 3 to 5 feet, orange is 1 to 3 feet, and then green is less than 1. So, good chance for that. And here is risk currents or rip currents, word for it. Green is unlikely. Orange, we could see it possible. Red will be likely, and then purple could be very, very likely with this storm. Flash flooding, as you could see, green line is possible. The red line is where we're most likely going to expect possible flash flooding, which could be towards more down to the south. We could see a Florida. And now let's take a look at the severe thunderstorms for this area.